Additive manufacturing is the future way of manufacturing. Many companies know the benefits, have been using it for prototyping, but have difficulty to scale up with applications. Here in Brainport Eindhoven, we help them to scale up to high volume production and reduce risks, investments and time that are necessary for that development.
With a community of companies, startups and knowledge institutes, we form a supply chain that builds a fully integrated and automated production line for high volume production for different applications. Right here, the printing factory of the future is built.
Here we are working with a joint strategy to build a smart AM factory in order to scale up in flexible manufacturing with AM as a main production technology. Do you want to be part of this revolution and make your manufacturing future-proof? Join us in our mission.